you get 2 shades lighter, you see the difference on your face or on your customer's face without sunburn, without pimples. I mean, your face is going to be clear and nice. Only at night, you don't want to apply it in the morning. In the morning when you're going out, please use a sunscreen so you're not going to experience this, okay? Please use a sunscreen. Welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best DIYs on skincare, cream reviews, and natural remedy. If this is your first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome, and if you're returning, you are warmly welcome. How you doing? Hope you are doing good. So lovelies, today we're going to talk. Today I'll be showing you how to make your facial cream that will give you 2 shades lighter. Okay. 2 shades lighter. But before I go into the video, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you to the new and old subscribers. I'm really grateful. I'm so happy that you guys are watching my video. I'm so happy that you guys are pressing thumbs up, that you guys are sharing. I'm so happy for the recommendations from those that are buying our products, and for those that are buying just as those normal industrial skincare products, okay, which is over-the-counter products that refer people to me. I'm so grateful. Oh God, you guys don't understand. I'm so grateful. I'm so happy. Thank you all. God bless you all. The joy, the way you guys are putting smile on my face. That's how God will put double smiles on your face. God will triple the smiles on your face 70 and 70 times. In Jesus' name, amen. See, I'm so happy. I'm grateful. Without you all, I won't be here, and you know, that's why I just have to say this. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. So before I go into the video, if you've not been following me on Instagram, please follow me on IG at ellaskincare_1 and chat me up on WhatsApp if you want to buy any skincare products, hair care products, Promix ingredients, want to do trainings, supplements, and everything. I sell and deliver worldwide. Okay, I sell and deliver worldwide. So without wasting your time, without talking too much, let's go into the video. Let's go. So ladies, like I said, I'm going to show you how to make a facial cream. I'm going to call it a lightening facial cream because it's just going to give you 2 shades lighter, okay? I'm going to show you a lightening facial cream that you can use, that you can sell if you want to sell, and your customers are going to use this without any complaint. They're not going to get any damage from the sun. They're not going to get any irritation whatsoever, okay, from this face cream. This face cream is going to give you 2 shades lighter, and if you continue with time, you can even get more lighter. But you know us now, especially we in Africa, we in Nigeria, we are not patient. We're not really patient at all. Even me, even me too, I'm guilty, okay? I'm not patient. We need our products to start working fast. Not always time, okay? But please, if you want to get 3 or 4 shades more, okay, you want to get more than 2 shades, you have to be patient with this face cream. But 2 shades for sure, you're gonna get it very fast from this, okay? Let's see. 1 month plus to 2 months, you get 2 shades lighter. You see the difference on your face or on your customer's face without sunburn, without pimples. I mean, your face is going to be clear and nice, clear like my own. Okay, wow. Talking about my face, you can see. Before I talk about it, look at my face very well. This is my face. This is my neck. My neck looks like my skin. You can see that my face is darker than my neck this period because I do errands for my customers abroad. I help them to get products here in Nigeria. My customers can do anything for you guys. This is my customers, my subscribers. I do anything for them. I help them to get products here in Nigeria and ship it to them abroad. And recently, I'm working under the sun. Okay, you can see my face without sunscreen. Without sunscreen because I sweat a lot. If I use sunscreen, I sweat it out. So let me just tell you, if you know you're going out in the sun, please use sunscreen. In fact, I tell my customers this a lot. Use sunscreen, I beg. May your face not dark past your body, I beg you. Use sunscreen, okay? Make sure you use sunscreen. And if it's possible for you to avoid the sun, please avoid the sun when it's hot. I know, avoid the sun when it's hot, okay? I'm preaching about this, and it's hard for me to avoid the sun because I need to get products for my customers. So avoid the sun. So if you see me looking down here, if you see me looking down, just so that I'm looking at the note, because I took this from our ebook, our updated ebook. So I took this recipe from there to share it to you all because you deserve it. Okay, the first thing you want to have is your Florida baby face. I made a review on Florida baby face cream like last 2 weeks. about a month back. I made a review about Florida baby face about a month or 2 months back. Check it out. The link will be on the description box for you to check that face cream out. It's very nice. It's very good. Florida baby face is going to be our base cream, okay? And if you have your own facial base cream, for those that are formulated skincare products, you have your own lightning base face cream that you made from scratch, you can use it. But if you don't have that, please use Florida baby face night face cream, to precise, the night face cream, okay? You need Florida baby face night face cream. You need a must white sunblock. I'm going to put the pictures here on the screen or here or here, so that you can see and look for it in the market to get it. We sell all these products if you want to buy from us. You can buy from us, but if you want to buy anywhere, you can buy anywhere. You're free to. Okay, you're free to. Now you need a must white sunblock face cream. A must white sunblock face cream is superb on its own. You all know it's a lightening face cream. Okay, it's not really that whitening. It's a lightening face cream. Protect your face from the sun. But I'm not saying that you should start working on the sun. But protect your face from the sun. It has SPF inside. It's a sunblock face cream. You need one of it when you want to make this product. Now the next thing you want to have is you need 3 beta cream tube. Okay, you need 3 beta cream tube, but you're not going to add all. I'm going to show you how to do it. You can't add all of your 3 beta cream. The next thing you need is your Clear papaya. Okay, Clear tube papaya. You can use the Clear lemon if you want to, but I've noticed something recently. Okay, recently the Clear lemon, Clear tube lemon is no longer as active as it was before. Okay, I don't know why, but it's no longer strong. The problem with these companies is that after people are tripping into the product, people are buying and buying and buying, they tend to like reduce. Is it that they reduce the quality of the product or something? They reduce the quality of the product. You know, things are expensive, so they reduce the quality of the product. That's why we that are skincare formulators also rebrand our recipes. Okay, that's why it's very good for you to learn from a very good skincare formulator. You can learn from anybody. I'm not saying that it's a must for you to come and learn from me. No, you can learn from anybody, but make sure the person you're learning from is your mentor, someone that you can go back to ask the person questions. You're having any issues, ask the person, because Clear right now, the lemon is not as active as it was. So for this recipe, we rebranded it to Clear papaya, and it's working very well. Okay, it's working very well, working good. The next thing you need is your glutathione serum. Okay, the glutathione serum you'll be needing for this recipe is your glutathione serum that is made with gold and green. Okay, it's a gold and green glutathione serum. I love this serum a lot. I love that glutathione serum, but for this recipe you need this serum. I love this serum. This serum is very nice. It's very good. You love it. Okay, you will like it. You will like it. Okay, you need this glutathione serum. And the next thing you need is your Skin Perfector serum. Okay, if you haven't watched my videos where I talked about my best Skin Perfector serums, check it out. Link will be on the description box. Okay, check those Skin Perfector serums as you will love them. You'll find out the favorite, but you can use any Skin Perfector serum of your choice. The choice is yours. Okay, choice is yours. You can use any Skin Perfector serum of your choice. Okay, any one of your choice. Then the next thing you need your propylene glycol. The reason why you use your propylene glycol is to make everything blend, okay, to make all ingredients incorporate, and it will make the products penetrate your skin easily, okay, to penetrate your skin easily. That's why you need your propylene glycol, and I'm going to give you the measurements, okay. And you need your German Plus or your preservative, however you want to call it, okay. You need the German Plus and you need the preservative. For some people, I would advise to put lactic acid, but lactic acid cannot be used all the time. So if you want to put lactic acid, I would advise you use this face cream 3 to 4 times in a week. If you want to put your lactic acid into this, your lactic acid will help you to exfoliate your skin and make it work faster. But for those that want to sell this to their customers, you might have to put your lactic acid as optional. You might not put your lactic acid, or unless you want to tell them to like use it 3 to 4 times in a week, like not every time. Okay, you need to skip your lactic acid. Don't use it every time. Lactic acid is good, but when you're using it for your face, I would advise you don't use it every time. Okay, but though it will make it to work faster, but don't use it every time. So it's for your one Florida baby face, your one must white sunblock, You need one clean cap gel. Okay, you need one clean cap gel. Please don't exceed more than one. Okay, you need one clean cap gel. You need half of your 3 beta cream. Half of your 3 beta cream. I did not say all. Oh. Some of you will just add all. Please use half of your 3 beta cream. For the glutathione serum, you want to use half of your glutathione serum. Don't pour in everything. I know some of you will just pour in everything because some of you like going overboard, but that one is up to you. But use half. For your propylene glycol, you just need half of your tablespoon. Please don't put all 1 tablespoon. You need half of your tablespoon. If you are including lactic acid, okay, you want to add lactic acid to this recipe, you need to put half of your tablespoon of your lactic acid. That's if you want to put lactic acid, but like I said, lactic acid is optional. You don't really need to put it. And for your cozy clear papaya, you need half of your cozy clear papaya. Okay, you don't really need more. You just need half. You don't really need to use it up to half, but you need half of your cozy clear papaya. If you are selling this, you need half of your cozy clear papaya. And for your German Plus, you need half of your German Plus. Normally, nothing is going to happen to this facial cream on its own. Okay, nothing will happen to it. So, using half of your German Plus, half tablespoon or just a little will go a long way if you're selling. But if you just make this without your German Plus or your preservative, nothing is going to happen to it. It will stay intact and nothing will happen to your product. So lovely, that's it for this video. Use this face cream on your face only at night. You don't want to apply it in the morning. In the morning when you're going out, please use a sunscreen so you're not going to experience this. Okay. Please use a sunscreen to protect your face from the sun. Okay, even if you're not going out to the sun or you're somewhere that there's sun, please use a sunscreen. All right, use a sunscreen. Alright, now, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to press the thumbs up button to let me know you like this video, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. Subscription is free. Okay, subscribe to this channel. Till I see you in my next one, stay blessed, remain blessed, stay out of trouble, and have a lovely day.